Hello everyone, this is Sri Lakshmi working as assistant professor in MBA branch Department of FME, St. Martin's Engineering College. Today I will discuss about the topic is theories of motivation. Theories of motivation. What is motivation? Motivation derived from a Latin word movere, which means to move. Movere, which means to move. What is motivation? Motivation is willingness of a person to make intense and persistence intense and persistence and direct efforts to achieve desired goals. Willingness of a person, intense means hard work, persistence means continuous. Willingness of a person, continuous hard work, direct efforts to achieve desired goals is called motivation. Motivational theories mainly two parts. First one is content theory. Content theory. Second one is process theory. What is content theory? Content theory is a traditional theory. Content theory is a traditional theory. What is traditional? Traditional means systematically long established. For example, festivals. Hindus celebrated in Dasara, Muslims celebrated in Ramjan, Christians celebrated in Christmas. What motivates? What motivates? Focus on what motivates people. It is a needs theory. It is a needs theory. Human beings, it is a needs theory. Human beings living seeks to some minimum to maximum needs. Minimum needs means minimum needs like food, shelter, clothing, etc. Maximum needs, whatever he wants to be. For example, musician, he wants to be professional music. Next one, process theory. Process theory, it is a contemporary theory. Contemporary means a person or thing living and existing at a same time as another is called contemporary. How to motivates occurs. Occurs means comes to one's mind. How to get motivates people. How to get motivates people. It is a humanistic approach to motivation. Humanistic approach. Humanistic approach. Humanistic approach to motivation. Humanistic approach, best example, education. Best example, education. Teacher can help student set learning goals and create pathways to achieve them. Is called humanistic approach to motivation. Process, content theory, so many types. I will discuss some type of theories. First one is Maslow's hierarchy needs motivational theories. Motivational theories. First one is Maslow hierarchy needs motivational theories. Abraham Maslow, who first proposed in 1943, Maslow hierarchy needs motivational theories. Maslow proposed to basically 5 needs. Basically 5 needs divided into the pyramidal structure. Divided into the pyramidal structure. First one is physiological needs. Physiological or psychological needs. Second one, safety needs. Safety needs. Third one, social needs. Fourth one, esteem needs. Fifth one, self-actualization needs. Self-actualization needs. Second one is Hedgeberg two-factor theory. Hedgeberg two factors theory. Hedgeberg proposed to 2 factors. Every person maintain 2 factors. First factor is hygiene factor. Hygiene factor. Second factor is motivational factor. Motivation factor. Third one is McClelland-Acquart's needs theory. McClelland-Acquart needs theory. McClelland's proposed to Acquart's needs theory. McClelland-Acquart's needs theory, management every person has 3 needs. First one is achievement. Second one is power. Third one is affiliation. Third one is affiliation. Fourth, Alderfer's ERG theory. Alderfer's ERG theory. Alderfer's proposed to ERG theory. E means existence. R means relatedness. G means growth. G means growth. Fifth one, MC Gregor's theory X and theory Y. Theory X and theory Y. MC Gregor's proposed to theory X and theory Y. Theory X is a negative assumption. Theory Y is a positive assumption. Second one, process theory. Process theory. Process theory, it is a contemporary theory. Contemporary theory. Contemporary means a person or thing living and existing at a same time as another is called contemporary. For examples, hostels, coaching centers and training centers. Next one, how to motivate people. How to motivate occurs. Comes to one's mind, how to get motivates people. It is a humanistic approach to motivation. Humanistic approach to motivation. Humanistic approach means teacher can help students set learning goals and create pathways to achieve them. Is called humanistic approach. Process theory, so many types. I will discuss some type of theories. First one, rooms expectancy theory. Rooms proposed to expectancy theory, mainly three facts: expectancy, instrumentality, and valence. Next one, second one, Adams equity theory. Adams equity theory. Adams proposed to equity theory. Equity theory mainly four factors. First one is input. Second one, output. Third one, social comparison. Fourth one, motivation. Third one, reinforcement theory. Reinforcement theory mainly three factors. First one is reinforcement. Second one, punishment. Third one, extension. First one is Maslow hierarchy, motivational theories. Maslow hierarchy, motivational theories. Maslow hierarchy motivational theories. Abraham Maslow, who first presented Maslow hierarchy needs in 1943. According to him, a man has countless needs. A man has countless needs, and they can be categorized based on the priority. Abraham Maslow 5 needs divided into pyramidal structure. Pyramidal structure, mainly 5 parts. First one is physiological or psychological needs, safety needs, social needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. First one is physical needs. First one is physical needs. Maslow's hierarchy needs theory. Maslow hierarchy needs theory. 5 needs divided in pyramidal structure. First one is physiological or psychological needs. Man seeks to physical needs like food, shelter, clothing, air, water, etc. This is physiological needs. Physiological or psychological needs. Physiological or psychological needs. Second one, safety needs. Second one is safety needs. After physical needs satisfied, man seeks to economical stability. Economical stability means employment, money, property, etc. Third one, social needs. Third one is social needs. Social need, every man is a social animal. Every man is a social animal. Man seeks to living in society honorably. A man wants to home, relatives, friends, share with sorrows and joy, etc. Social needs like, for example, friendship, relationship, and love and affection giving and receiving. Giving and receiving. Fourth one, esteem needs. Esteem needs. Esteem needs esteem needs. Esteem needs is a ego needs. Esteem needs is a ego needs. Every man seeks to prestigious status. Every man is a prestigious status, increase power and gets authority is called esteem needs. Example, prestige, status, prestige, status, fixation and stability, power, achievement and affiliation, etc. Fifth one, self-actualization needs. Self-actualization needs. All needs satisfied, man seeks to whatever he wants to be is called self-actualization. For example, a musician, he wants to be proficient music. Next one is Hesberg hierarchy needs. Hesberg two-factor theory. Hesberg two-factor theory. Hesberg two-factor theory. Every person maintains two factors. First one is hygiene theory and motivational factors. Hygiene and motivational factors both are maintenance factors. First one is hygiene factor. It is maintenance factors are related to condition under which job performed. First one is technical supervision. To maintain technical supervision, to maintain and some build in a job security, to maintain interpersonal relationships and working conditions is healthy environment and to increase status and salary. Any level of in the decrease will dissatisfied. Second one, motivational factors related to the job achievement. Individual or group people's combined achieve goals and achieve objectives. Recognition. Every employee maintain individual identity. Second one, advancement to develop professionally and financially. Next one, McClelland's acquired needs theory. David M. McClelland's American psychologist, which is also known as McClelland's needs theory. Management that each person three basic needs: achievement, power and affiliation. MC Gregor's theory X and Y. MC Gregor's well-known psychologist proposed to theory X and Y theory. X theory assumptions about the human behavior stated in negative in this approach. Second one, Y theory. These assumptions about the human behavior stated as positive in the approach. Superior to subordinate all or objectives in jointly. Next one, object is in jointly. Next one, Maslow's. You will see. We will see video Maslow hierarchy needs. First one, Maslow hierarchy, motivational needs. Maslow hierarchy, motivational needs in 1943. Stage 1, stage 1, sociological needs. Stage 2, safety needs. Stage 3, belongings and love, society, social needs. Next one, stage 4, esteem needs. Stage 5, self actualization needs. Self actualization needs means whatever he wants to be. Musician, he wants to proficient music. Journalist, he wants to proficient journalism. Okay, journalism. Okay, self actualization, according to him 1943. Every man has countless needs. Okay, stage 1, physiological needs అంటే stage 1 level, and expand the pyramidal structure and increase to self actualization needs. Width is reduced. And second one, Maslow hierarchy, motivational needs. Abraham Maslow, who first presented Maslow hierarchy motivational needs in 1943. According to him, a man has countless needs. In pyramidal structure, stage 1, physiological needs. A man seeks to physical needs like food, shelter, clothing, etc. Next one, stage 2, safety needs. After physical needs satisfied, a man seeks to economical stability. Economical stability means property, money, etc. Next one, stage 3, social needs. Love and affection. Every man is a society living in honorably. A man wants to friends and sorrows, share in friends the sorrows and joy, etc. Stage 4, esteem needs. A man seeks to esteem needs like prestigious status. Like increase in your power and automatically increase your authority. For example, stability, fixation, and achievement, and affiliation, etc. And some stability, etc. Next one, stage 5, self actualization. All needs satisfied, a man wants to be whatever he wants to be. For example, the musician, he wants to be proficient music. Some cooking man, he wants to be proficient food science, and different type. Some is there. Next one, Alderfer's ERG theory. Alderfer's ERG theory. Alderfer's ERG theory Alderfer's ERG theory Alderfer's is a American psychologist who developed Maslow hierarchy needs in a theory of his own. Alderfer's ERG theory suggests 3 groups of core needs. First one, existence needs. Second one, relatedness. The third one, growth. These are aligned with Maslow's psychological safety, social esteem, and self-actualization needs respectively. Some existence needs concern basic requirements in living. These include Maslow's psychological and safety needs. Relatedness, their maintenance in interpersonal relationships. These needs are based on social interaction with others, align with Maslow's levels of social needs. Third one, growth. This maintaining personal development, these needs align with the others. Position of Maslow's esteem needs and self-actualization needs. Esteem needs means some stability, fixation and recognition, etc. Self-actualization means man whatever he wants to be. Thank you.